What you should know about real estate law and when to get a lawyer with FreeAdvice.com. If you don't hire a lawyer, you will regret it if you find yourself in certain real estate legal situations. You might be wondering what situations. Well, you've come to the right place to find out. Buying or selling a property can involve many legal issues. And if you're not familiar with the law, you could make mistakes that could cost you a lot of money and time. Knowing the ins and outs of real estate law is vital. But as a first-time buyer, a seasoned investor, or a real estate agent, you might not always be up to date with the latest law changes. While it's important to know the information that will keep you from being sued, or even worse, put in jail, this is often where a real estate lawyer shines. It's their area of expertise after all. You can find knowledgeable experts with our free search tool at FreeAdvice.com by entering your zip code on our site. And within minutes, you'll have a list of lawyers near you. When you're buying or selling a home, a real estate agent can make the process smoother. But in certain circumstances, you may need the expertise of a real estate lawyer. Navigating the complexities of real estate law can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Each state has unique requirements when it comes to transferring property, and in some cases, a real estate lawyer is a must-have during the buying or selling process. But don't worry, a property attorney can also be your ally if you face foreclosure or unique disclosure issues. As a seller, it's essential to know your legal obligations to disclose any potential problems to buyers. And hiring a real estate lawyer can help ensure that your interests are protected throughout the transaction. But let's first briefly cover what real estate law is. Real estate law is the branch of law that governs everything related to buying, owning, and selling land. This law is the one that sets the rules for acquiring property and what you can do with it. It is also known as real property law, which is fitting since it's all about the land itself. The term real property refers to land as opposed to personal property, which is comprised of objects. But buildings and other structures that are permanently attached to the land are also considered a part of real property. And let's not forget, real estate law is more than just buying and selling properties. It encompasses a wide range of topics, from deeds and titles to financing, zoning, taxes, and estate planning. Lawyers specializing in this field must deeply understand state law and its impact on their cases. While some federal laws apply universally, such as the Interstate Land Sales Full Disclosure Act, the bulk of real estate law comes from state laws. And here's the thing, real estate law can vary dramatically from state to state. That's why savvy real estate lawyers must know how to identify the specific laws that apply to their cases and be aware of any unique nuances that come with state and local laws. So when do you need a real estate lawyer? In some states, like Alabama, Connecticut, and Massachusetts, hiring a real estate attorney is a requirement for the transfer of property. While sometimes hiring a lawyer can be costly, it also means you don't have to navigate the complex world of real estate alone. Let's cover 7 common situations when it's especially important to have a legal expert on your side. Number 1, a fresh start in a new area. Moving into a new area can be overwhelming, especially when dealing with unfamiliar regulations and requirements. But with a real estate lawyer by your side, you'll have a trusted guide who knows the ins and outs of local laws and requirements. They'll ensure all your paperwork is in order so you can confidently move into your dream home. Number 2, unwanted tenants. Are there tenants standing in the way of you living in your dream home or keeping you from a successful real estate investment? Don't let them hold you back. Sometimes a tenant may not be living up to their end of the bargain, and it's time to take action. But before you start the eviction process, It's crucial to seek the advice of a real estate lawyer. With their expertise in local real estate laws, they'll ensure your eviction is quick, legal, and within the bounds of your state's regulations. Number 3, structural problems and serious concerns. If you're buying or selling a property with significant structural issues, a real estate lawyer can help you understand the terms of the transaction and protect your interests. Number 4, divorce proceedings. Splitting the proceeds from a home sale during a divorce can be complicated and have potential tax implications. A real estate attorney can advise you and help you with these complex proceedings. Number 5, financial difficulties. Struggling with a lien or foreclosure? A qualified property attorney can help you better navigate any financial issues and maximize your profits from the sale of your home. Number 6, foreclosed homes. Foreclosed homes can be a great deal, but they often come with hidden damages and other risks. A property lawyer can help you avoid potential pitfalls and make informed decisions when buying a foreclosed property. Lastly, number 7, unique disclosure issues. If you're selling a property, you may need to disclose certain information to potential buyers. Talk to your real estate agent and a property attorney to understand what you need to disclose, what forms you need to fill out, and how to share the information promptly and effectively. We advise you to get the expert guidance you need to protect your interests and secure the best deal. With just a simple search, entering your zip code on our website at FreeAdvice.com, you can find affordable property attorneys in your area and get started on the path to a successful property transaction. Whether buying or selling, a real estate lawyer can help you handle the legal landscape and ensure that your arrangements are in your best interest. So again, do you need a lawyer for your next real estate transaction? If you're in one of the states that we discussed, or if you're facing any special circumstances, the answer is a resounding yes. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Protect your investment and ensure a successful transaction by enlisting the help of a qualified real estate lawyer. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, whether you're buying or selling property, it's always a good idea to have a legal expert on your side to ensure that your arrangements are in your best interest. Don't hesitate to contact a real estate lawyer if you have any questions or concerns. You can also post your comments below, and we'll be sure to answer them with legal advice. And if you're looking for affordable property attorneys in your area, check out our free search box that we mentioned earlier at FreeAdvice.com. You just have to enter your zip code and you'll have a list of lawyers near you in no time. Did you know that if you buy a rental property, as the landlord, there are times that you aren't responsible for property that's been damaged due to water, flooding that causes water damage? That's right. Sometimes the tenants can be held liable for repairs if they didn't act in accordance with their lease. An attorney can help you navigate these complex situations as well. If you still have questions, or if a rental landlord legal dispute is one that you need help with, we have a video for you. Check it out on our channel. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could share it with a friend. Like and subscribe. Thank you.